Good morning, kids. I hope you like the story about the toy stock. Treat people the way you wanted to be treated. Yes, kids, very important. If you want people to treat you with love and respect, you have to treat them with love and respect too. And that is what the story was all about. Remember, Bob was drumming whole day and people were getting irritated by the drumming noise. And then when he was getting irritated by the cuckoo clock, he realized that it is very important to respect each other. That is what I told you in the story, that if your grandparents are sleeping or your parents are sleeping or anybody is busy doing something or taking rest, you should not irritate them, you should not make sound, right? Yes, children. Today we are going to do the other activities and words to know about this chapter. So let's start. Now we'll start with words to know. Hurriedly, very quickly. Yes, so doing something very quickly. Thud, a sound made when a heavy object hits something else or the floor. So कुछ गिर जाता है या कुछ चीज़ टकराती है तो जो साउंड होती है उसको थड बोलते हैं. Disappointed, upset at or slash by something. So if you have worked very hard, if you have studied very well and you expect some other marks but you got something less, you get disappointed. So you get upset. Reconstructing, building it again. Yes, कुछ चीज़ टूट जाती है उसको वापस बनाने को, to make it again is reconstructing. Dismantle, to separate something into pieces. So कोको क्या था, लेगो बॉय था और वो कैसे था, डिसमेंटल हो गया था जैसे नीचे गिरा. सो दोज आर द, दैट इज नोन एज डिसमेंटल. एंड व्हेन यू पुट इट इन पीसेस यू कंस्ट्रक्ट इट अगेन. नाउ बी माइंडफुल. क्लोज योर आइज एंड रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन टाइम व्हेन यू हैव मेड फन ऑफ अदर्स इन योर क्लास और एट होम. हाउ डिड यू फील? व्हाट डिड यू डू? Was there a better way you could have acted? After you get the answer, think and think again. How will you behave from now on, so that you don't hurt anyone's sentiments anymore. Now open your eyes and take a deep breath. Smile at people around you. Smiling at people will make you feel connected with them. Yes, children. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that you have spoken to your mom rudely or your friends or your brother, sister, anybody rudely. You should not do that. So do this activity. Whenever you think that you're getting upset, you're getting angry, just sit down, close your eyes, think about the situation and think how you acted in that situation. Was that correct? It is not correct ना to hurt anybody. कोई आपको अगर गलत जवाब देगा या गुस्से से जवाब देगा तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. That is the same case with others. Okay? And so stop saying things which will hurt people. Be polite with people. And very important thing, children, is smile. Your smile is very beautiful. You should always greet people with smile. आपको किसी से दोस्ती करनी है या आप किसी को नहीं भी जानते हैं तो भी you should always have a smile on your face because that makes you look more beautiful. Okay, my lovely kids? Yes, I hope you will do this activity whenever you think that you have done something wrong or you're getting upset or you're getting angry. Just sit down, close your eyes and calm yourself. Okay, now we'll see the question and answers. What gift did Bob get from Auntie Martha and why? Bob got a drum from Auntie Martha because it was his birthday. What did Bob do that annoyed everybody? Bob was drumming whole day and that was annoying everyone. Do you think what Bob did was right and why? No, what Bob did was wrong. He should not have played the drum continuously because nobody was able to rest. Why did Bob need earplugs? When cuckoo clock was cuckooing whole day, Bob was getting irritated. So he needed the earplugs to ignore that voice. Why did Betty not lend her earplugs to Bob? Betty did not lend the plugs to Bob because when Betty asked Bob not to play the drum whole day, he said very rudely that you go and find a place where you don't get to hear my voice. How did Bob feel at the time, and who did he go for the help? Yes, so Bob felt a little bad when Betty said that I am not going to give you the earplug. So he went to Aunt Martha and spoke to her. How did Aunt Martha made Bob realize his mistake? So Aunt Martha told him that, see, the way cuckoo clock is irritating you whole day with the voice, it's the same thing with people. When you are drumming whole day, people are getting irritated. And because of your anger, you have pushed Coco, the ligament, down, and he is broken now. So you should go reconstruct Coco again, and you should realize your mistake, that everybody needs their space of time. What did Bob do to win back the friendship of others of the class? So Bob made the Coco again. Bob reconstructed Coco again. Now complete the conversation. Roy, ma'am, you look tired here. Take a seat. Prerna, thank you so much. I have travelled a long way. Roy, hey, wait, you forgot this. Now let's see what happens. You missed your train. You did not have to go out of the way to get me this. Prerna, I seemed it's important. Roy, it is. Thank you so much. Now Tony and Tutu. Give me some candy. How about being little polite, Tony? Tutu, please give me some candies. Better. I am sorry, I don't have any candies left. So now Tony the monkey is saying, hey, give me some candies. So Tutu the bird is saying, can you be little polite in asking for candies? So then Tony said, Tutu, please can you give me some candies? And Tutu said that I don't have any candies left. Yes, children, so we have to be polite with people. Use the word please, thank you and sorry. These are courtesy words. When you start using this words in your language, in your communication, people will automatically love you and respect you. Now we'll do the subject connect. Now there are some words we need to rejumble words, we need to put them in correct form. The first word is generosity. Second is respect. Third is responsibility. And fourth is honest. Yes, kids, these are very important part of human beings. We need to be we need to have generosity. We need to respect each other. We need to take responsibility of our actions, and we need to help others. We need to be honest. Yes, if you are doing any mistake, say that you have done that mistake. Try not to do that mistake again, right? But don't lie. Now there is an activity for you kids. Why are these qualities important for us? Yes, now write few lines on these qualities which I told you. Why are they important to us? Write about them. Now, value for life. Speak respect. Be polite, say something nice. Speak respectfully at any price. To your mom, to your dad at home, to the person on phone, to the teacher in class, to the lifeguard at the pool, because their rules you keep you safe. Follow them, don't hesitate. Even to your own best friend, choose the words that won't offend. Because, dear friend, answer true. Would you want hurtful words said to you? Always honor and appreciate. Talking back will be aggravate. Be careful what rolls out of your tongue. Disrespect hurts everyone. Yes, children, that is what I told you right now. Be respectful, talk politely, speak respectfully to your mom, dad, anybody you come across to, not just your family members. The guard you have, the housekeeping you have, the person who comes to clean your house, the person who helps you to pick up the garbage. You should always be polite and respectful them, because you would not like anybody talking to you rudely. So again, it is the way you want to be treated, you have to treat people the same way. Show respect. When you go to someone's house, play with their toys, not your own. Don't just throw toys everywhere. Handle them with extra care. If you see your friend's diary, respect their privacy. Don't read unless asked you to do so. That's good conduct, you know. When you see traffic light on the road shining bright, red means stop, You have to wait, respect the law, don't hesitate. Yes, now we need to show respect too. So if you're going to play with your friend, make sure that you don't play with your own toys. Use his toys also. Don't throw the toys or don't break the toys. Keep them properly. Okay? And when you see that the signal light is red, make sure that you wait and don't go. Now be wise. Do you know the respect for one of the best virtue of human being can be? Respecting yourself and others help building positive relation with friends, families and acquaintances, etc. Being respectful help to attain tolerance, open-mindedness, personal growth and communication. Very important. We need to be respectful to everybody. When we respect people, we gain tolerance. Yes, we would not take anything which is wrong or disrespectful. Open-mindedness. Respect for others help us to be patient and make to look at the best in them. Yes. Personal growth, we grow, and when we respect others, we grow personally also, children. And communication, yes, talking to everybody with respect is very important. Now activity. Break the code to read the message. Break the code and discover an important message. Decode the message, match the symbol below each block with the symbol in the top row of the code block. Write the matching letter in the block above the symbol. So these are the codes, and you need the alphabets written under the codes. So now see, I have done it for you. It's saying showing respect is an act of honoring and being courteous towards others. Very, very important. Be courteous to others. Respect means you care enough about others' feeling before you act. Write 3 ways in which you would respect someone. So here you have 3 lines. Write how are you going to respect your mom and dad. Okay, now B. Draw a flag of your country in that given space. In that block, draw a country flag. And how would you show respect to a flag? So write few lines to show respect to a flag, children. Yes, so this is all about toys talk story, children. Yes, what we learned is we need to be respectful. We need to treat people the way we want to be treated. So love and care and respect are very important. Use the courtesy words thank you, please and sorry in your communication, and you will see it will help you to go very far and have a positive attitude in life. I will see you with one more story in my next class. Till that time, do your activities in your free time, be safe and be respectful. Okay? Bye bye, kids.